Ever wondered if a small icy moon could hold secrets to life beyond Earth? Meet Enceladus, Saturn's sixth largest moon. This celestial body is quite the spectacle, shrouded in a thick icy shell that gleams in the cosmic light. But it's not just a pretty face, oh no, Enceladus is also a geyser-spouting marvel. Yes, you heard right, geysers. These phenomenal jets spew water vapor and ice particles straight into space, creating a breathtaking spectacle that would put Old Faithful to shame. And here's the kicker. These geysers hint at the possibility of a subsurface ocean. An ocean that could potentially harbor life. Imagine that. Life not on Mars, not on Venus, but on a tiny, icy moon orbiting Saturn. It's like finding a tropical rainforest in the heart of Antarctica. So, next time you glance at the night sky, remember there's a tiny icy moon out there that might just be the most intriguing place in our solar system. You thought Earth had all the geological drama? Wait till you hear about Enceladus. This frosty moon of Saturn is a stage for some of the most intriguing geological phenomena in our solar system. For starters, let's talk about its unique tiger stripe fractures. These deep chasms running across the moon's icy surface are not just any old cracks in the ice, they're gateways to the moon's interior, spewing out jets of water vapor and icy particles. Now imagine a volcano, but instead of molten lava, it's spewing out ice. That's cryovolcanism for you, and it's a regular spectacle on Enceladus. How does this happen, you ask? Well, the immense tidal forces from Saturn squeeze and distort Enceladus, heating its interior and causing these icy eruptions. And to think, all this drama is playing out on a moon not much wider than the state of Arizona. Ever dreamt of going on a submarine adventure on another world? Enceladus is your ticket. This icy moon of Saturn, smaller than the state of Arizona, is home to a surprising feature, a subsurface ocean. Yes, you heard it right. Deep beneath its icy surface, Enceladus houses a gigantic body of salty water, much like our own oceans. This discovery was made possible by NASA's Cassini mission, which detected the gravitational pull of this ocean. But why is this exciting, you ask? Well, wherever there's water on Earth, there's life. So, the subsurface ocean of Enceladus opens up a world of possibilities for astrobiology, the study of life in the universe. Not to mention, it sets the stage for future exploration missions. Imagine sending a submarine to explore alien oceans, a journey straight out of a science fiction novel. So pack your bags and your submarine. Enceladus is waiting. Fancy a geyser that sprays into space? Enceladus has got you covered. This icy moon of Saturn, a bit of a show-off, shoots out plumes of water vapor and ice from its south pole, creating a spectacle that would put Old Faithful to shame. But it's not just about the waterworks. These plumes provide us with invaluable insight into what's happening beneath the icy surface. The plumes are believed to be connected to the subsurface ocean of Enceladus, spewing out a mix of water, salts, and organic molecules. Now, we're not saying it's a moon-sized espresso machine, but the presence of these ingredients suggests that Enceladus has all the necessary elements for life as we know it. These plumes are not just outward signs of an active moon, but also a window into the hidden depths of Enceladus. They're a tantalizing hint of the secrets that lie beneath the surface, waiting to be discovered. Who knew a moon could have such a steamy secret? Ever wondered who's been feeding Saturn's E-ring? The answer is closer than you think. Enceladus, Saturn's sixth largest moon and our icy wonder, has been quietly nurturing Saturn's E-ring, one icy particle at a time. You see, the geysers on Enceladus, spectacular as they are, aren't just for show. These geysers, spewing out ice particles and water vapor into space, contribute directly to the formation and maintenance of Saturn's E-ring. It's a cosmic dance of sorts, where the moon dons the hat of a ring maker, and Saturn, the planet, graciously accepts the gift. This relationship between Enceladus and Saturn's E-ring is a testament to the intricate dynamics at play in our universe. Each element, each celestial body is connected and contributes to the grandeur of the cosmos in its unique way. So, Enceladus is not just a pretty face, it's also a cosmic ringmaker. Could a tiny icy moon hold the key to life beyond Earth? Let's dive into the possibilities. Imagine the vast cold expanse of space, and then, tucked away in the ringed shadows of Saturn, we stumble upon Enceladus. A tiny sphere shrouded in ice, might seem an unlikely candidate for life. Yet, beneath its icy surface, a subsurface ocean beckons. These are not just any waters, mind you. They're seasoned with organic compounds and heated by the gravitational pull of Saturn, creating a tantalizing recipe for life as we know it. Scientists are thrilled at the prospects. These conditions mimic those of early Earth, possibly offering a glimpse into our own beginnings. But we're not just talking about bacteria or microbes. The size and depth of Enceladus's ocean might even support more complex life forms. So, we're left with the tantalizing question, could life exist beneath the icy surface of this small Saturnian moon? Who knows? We might just find ET swimming in the seas of Enceladus. From the pages of novels to the screens of Hollywood, Enceladus has had its fair share of limelight. This icy moon of Saturn has been a muse for numerous authors and filmmakers, often drawn to its mysterious geysers and the possibility of a hidden ocean beneath its frosty exterior. In science fiction, Enceladus is often imagined as a frozen outpost for intrepid explorers or even as the home of alien life. Arthur C. Clarke's novel, 2061 Odyssey 3, features a Chinese spaceship landing on Enceladus, while in the movie 2010, The Year We Make Contact, the moon is transformed into a new sun. These depictions, while thrilling, often take artistic liberties with the realities of this frigid satellite. Scientists, on the other hand, focus on its intriguing geology and the potential for microbial life in its subsurface waters. So, whether in fact or fiction, Enceladus continues to captivate our imagination. From daring flybys to ambitious future plans, Enceladus has been a favorite destination for space missions. The icy moon first caught our attention in the late 70s with the Pioneer 11 mission, followed by the Voyager flybys in the early 80s. But it was the Cassini spacecraft arriving in the early 21st century that truly opened our eyes to the moon's icy wonders and potential for life. Cassini's decade-long mission revealed Enceladus's geysers, subsurface ocean, and the intriguing tiger stripes. The spacecraft made a grand total of 23 close flybys, each one unveiling a new layer of the moon's icy mysteries. Looking towards the future, NASA's proposed Enceladus Lifefinder mission aims to dive deeper into these mysteries. And who knows, maybe one day we'll send a lander or even humans to explore this icy wonder up close. So keep dreaming, keep exploring, and who knows, the next footprints on Enceladus could be yours. Did you know Enceladus has a magnetic personality? Or at least a very intriguing magnetic relationship with Saturn? This icy moon is not just twirling around in oblivion, it's actively interacting with Saturn's colossal magnetosphere. First, let's get the basics right. A magnetosphere is a region around a planet dominated by the planet's magnetic field. Saturn's magnetosphere is the second largest structure in our solar system, only trumped by the Sun's heliosphere. Now imagine tiny Enceladus, just 500 kilometers in diameter, interacting with this behemoth. This interaction results in some spectacular cosmic phenomena. For instance, Enceladus contributes to the formation of auroras on Saturn. These are not your average northern lights, they are Saturn's version of a cosmic light show, all thanks to Enceladus. Also, the dynamics of charged particles around Enceladus are quite fascinating. These particles are influenced by Enceladus's plumes and can result in a localized magnetosphere around the moon itself. So, Enceladus is not just an icy moon, it's a magnetic marvel too. When it comes to the search for life beyond Earth, Enceladus is a top contender. This tiny, icy moon of Saturn, with its icy surface and geyser-like plumes, has become one of the most tantalizing destinations in our solar system. Why? Because beneath its frozen exterior, Enceladus hides a deep, salty ocean that could potentially harbor life. In the grand scheme of the cosmos, life as we know it requires a few basic ingredients: water, organic molecules, and a source of energy. Enceladus, intriguingly, appears to have all three. Its subsurface ocean is not just a puddle, but a body of water estimated to be as deep as 10 kilometers. That's a lot of room for potential extraterrestrial swimming parties. The water in this ocean, as revealed by the plumes of vapor and ice that spout from the moon's south pole, contains organic molecules. These are the building blocks for life as we know it. But water and organics alone aren't enough. You need energy, a source of heat to drive chemical reactions. and Enceladus has that too, thanks to the gravitational pull of its parent planet, Saturn. This tidal heating creates a source of energy that could, in theory, support life. It's the same kind of energy source that powers the hydrothermal vents in Earth's oceans, where life thrives in the absence of sunlight. So, could similar life forms be basking in the warm, dark waters of Enceladus's ocean? It's a question that has scientists all over the world itching to send a spacecraft to this distant moon. But even beyond our own solar system, Enceladus serves as an exciting example of where we might find life. With more and more exoplanets being discovered each year, many of which are icy worlds like Enceladus, the potential for finding life elsewhere in the universe is growing. So as we continue our cosmic quest, remember to keep an eye on Enceladus, the icy moon with a warm heart.